In the hustle and bustle of today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can feel like an elusive dream. But what if I told you that the key to tranquility lies in reconnecting with the very essence of our existence, nature? Today, we're delving into the incredible journey of harmonizing with nature to discover your inner peace and how this age-old wisdom can transform your modern life. In our digitally driven era, where screens are our constant companions and cities are our natural habitat, the idea of harmony with nature might seem like a distant, nostalgic dream. However, this notion is far from outdated. It is, in fact, more relevant than ever. Our modern lives are marked by stress, anxiety, and a yearning for a sense of balance that often eludes us. Nature, with its timeless wisdom, offers us a path to inner peace, reconnecting with nature in the digital age. Picture this: you're scrolling through your phone, inundated by notifications and the relentless demands of the digital world. Your stress levels are off the charts, and you feel disconnected from yourself. Here's where our journey begins. In the midst of this chaos, a single deep breath can change everything. So why not take one right now? Let's embark on a journey to rediscover our inner peace through harmony with nature, the nature of modern stress. The modern lifestyle often leads to what psychologists term nature deficit disorder. Many of us spend our days in climate-controlled environments, staring at screens and rushing from one commitment to the next. This lifestyle, while convenient, can erode our sense of inner peace. The more we detach from nature, the more we distance ourselves from a profound source of solace. Think about the last time you watched a sunset, felt the earth under your feet, or listened to the sound of rain. These experiences are not just nice to have, they are essential for your inner peace. Nature as a source of inner peace. Nature has a unique way of grounding us in the present moment, offering a respite from the relentless forward march of time. When we immerse ourselves in the natural world, we are reminded of the rhythm of life, which operates at a slower, more deliberate pace. Every step in nature is a step toward serenity. The more you observe the world around you, the more you discover about yourself. Mindfulness through nature. One of the most powerful tools nature provides for finding inner peace is mindfulness. By focusing our attention on the sights, sounds, and sensations of the natural world, we cultivate a state of mindfulness that can alleviate stress and anxiety. Let's take a moment to breathe and appreciate the beauty around us. Engaging with nature mindfully can help us break free from the chains of our busy lives. Practical tips for harmonizing with nature: forest bathing, Shinrin-yoku. Regular walks in the forest can lower stress levels and improve overall well-being. Gardening. Tending to a garden, whether big or small, can be a meditative and fulfilling experience. Stargazing. Find a quiet spot to observe the night sky. It's a humbling experience that can put your worries into perspective. Digital detox. Dedicate specific times or days to disconnect from screens and reconnect with the natural world. Yoga and meditation outdoors. Take your yoga mat or meditation cushion outside and let the elements enhance your practice. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, the wisdom of harmonizing with nature to find inner peace remains a timeless and accessible solution. It's not about abandoning our modern lives, but about weaving the tapestry of the natural world into the fabric of our existence. By doing so, we can rediscover the tranquility we so desperately seek.